Yes. Have a seat. Give us your resume.
Yes, sir, sure.
So now, can you elaborate about yourself?
Yes. Yeah, if I tell about myself, yeah, my name is Samir and I had completed my 10 plus 2 from PCM, and apart from that I had done some courses like I had done my BCom B, like a Bachelor of Mathematics, and apart from that I had also done the Master of Mathematics in math subject. Apart from that, yeah, if I tell about my family members, yeah, there are 6 family members in my family, including me, 2 younger brothers, 1 younger sister, my father and my mother and me. And apart from that, if I tell about my hobby, yeah, I like to learn something new from the elders, and I like to I like to reading the books. That's all about my intro.
Okay, so I know about like why you came here, like which kind of the like more there are a lot of the private jobs also available. So why you came here, like for government job?
Actually, sir, I am coming here for getting a government job. Why? Because as you know, I had tried I listen most of the time from about the private teacher job. In that, you can get that much experience which you can get in the government job, because in the private you can get that kind of experience which is not that much which cannot build your confidence, because in that the parents the parents are paying the too much amount of the fees of the student who is studying in the private school. And the private school, one thing you can get that much security kind of thing, you should have to take a pressure.
Now let me ask that one question. When you had completed your plus 2, and that one more thing is that why do you want to be a teacher? Because there are so many things. As my colleague, he asked that question, why do you want to be a teacher? Like how will you able to make students understand? Because in our school students are too naughty. So how will you understand that?
So firstly, why I choose that kind of about the government teacher question. Why? Because I have always been a passionate in the teaching session. I like to know about the government more and more, and I like to I have one kind of hobby in which I like to tell to the students this comes under my favorites. I favor to that kind of thing. And apart from that, about the things which you asked, that's
okay. What inspired you to be a teacher? Like which kind of the quality you have? How do you handle the students? Because in the government school, we all know about that which kind of students are studies. So just tell us how do you handle that?
Yeah, I can handle them firstly I should make a good harmony or good relationship with the students, by which they can take me as a friend, by which I can make them understand whatever kind of thing I want to tell to them about regarding to math concept. And in the math, as you know, it's my subject for which I want to become a government teacher. In that I will use some kind of practical things regarding to projects kind of work. By that I can make them understand more easily way, and I can I also organize some kind of quiz sessions by which they can get a good environment.
Yes, but don't you think that, as you told us, you will be trying to be a friend of the students?
Yes.
But as you told us, you are a teacher of the mathematics. But don't you think that mathematics is that thing where students must give his or her attention so that he can understand the formulas and each and everything? Because math is not a cup of tea. In order to make people understand, in order to make students understand, you will have to be a good teacher. Otherwise, if you will behave like a friend, then they will take you as a friend and they will not learn you.
So one thing I want to tell you, whatever you had mentioned, it is true. Why? Because as you know, math is not a that much easier subject, because there are many students who are having several kind of doubts regarding to any kind of concept. Because in the math there are many places where you need to wait because of somewhere the mistake of the calculation, somewhere the concept missing, that kind of thing. But yeah, as a friend, I want to make them as a friend. Because of that, if they treat me as a friend, so definitely they will understand whatever I want to say. Sometimes I can combine somewhere the fun in the mathematics, by which they can take it as a friendly talk, by which they can know. As you know about that, there are many things as you know, whatever you done with your friends, you remember that kind of thing. So by that you can increase their remembering power in the math field also.
Okay, which thing inspired you to be a government teacher? Because right now there are a lot of the vacancies also available, and most of the people, they are not interested in the government schools, because we know about the government school right now which kind of facilities they are providing. So which thing inspired you?
Actually, nothing is inspired me, but yeah, I have actually I have mentioned that already. Like I have been always the passionate in that field. That's why I like to do. And somewhere I want to teach the student because I watch most of the institution where the teacher are not teaching the student in a more more well way. They are just giving them. They are just telling them about the one kind of concept, and apart from that, they just give them one kind of homework regarding to an exercise. They are not teaching them in a more clarity way. That kind of thing is not present. That's why I like
So
to.
you are saying that your method is far better than other teachers' method.
Yes.
Yes, you are saying that, and you are making this statement like you are far better than other teachers. Those teachers which we are having in our school. So how can you say that your teaching method is far better than those teachers? And one more, if take one example, for instance, how would you be able to manage the class decorum? Because in our school, students are too much naughty and they will try to make fun in class. They perhaps they will never let you to do study. Then how will you maintain the class decorum?
Yeah, firstly, I want to say that one thing that I don't I am not a good one from those teachers who are teaching in the any kind of school in a student. There are many one who are having a great teaching experience, who are having a great knowledge about how to teach. That kind of thing is available. But yeah, I can say I having a something different from them because I want to be after too much research, I did too many research about the mathematics. Mathematics is not only about the practice. In some way, you need the some kind some way you need to elaborate something. Regarding to quiz kind of thing you can do, and somewhere you need to do the practical things. You should I think I also organize that kind of thing. You should have to research about the concept for which are you preparing, and apart from that I can elaborate more about it. You can say if the student is not studying in the class, if he or she is not getting my points, and if he or she are getting the misusing kind of thing in the class, or talkative kind of student is available in my class, so definitely at that time I will.
Directly. So just let me ask one question. Well, there are many 5 students outside who have come as a take job as a teacher, but they say any special thing in you, like why should we hire you for a teacher job? There are so many people, we should hire them.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I have something different from them. As I mentioned, as I am going to mention about my unique, what is unique in myself as compared to themselves. First is consistency, and about the I don't like to do that much hard work as the others do. They are just writing on the board. And after that, the student, what they do, they just note on there, they just note that kind of thing in the note. But that kind of thing I am not going to do. I just do the I just teach the student, I just work upon the concepts. I don't go with that about the homework kind of thing. I don't go with that. I just try to maintain that kind of things in that student's life. I just I try to memorize all of the concept, all of the formulas, which is totally relatable with the chapters. That things is unique in myself, which is not in there.
I like your really confidence which you are having. Really, it's marvelous, because I haven't seen the confidence which you have in other teachers. But make me understand one thing, what will be that thing which will be practical in a classroom? Will you be able to do something practical in order to make student understand in maths, make this in hours? So first, these are the things. Thank you for coming here, and now you will be called, so you will be informed if you are hired or not.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
You can do.